Welcome to the second video of Arduino video tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to download the Arduino IDE and install it on your desktop. At first, we have to open our web browser and then write Arduino IDE download. Then go to Arduino official website. Then scroll down and select Windows. Just download. Done. You have successfully downloaded the Arduino IDE. Click on the Arduino IDE. In here, this place is the working space where you can write your code. Here you can select your board and port. Make sure to connect your Arduino with your desktop.